Why limit your experience of self when you are truly limitless? Namaste, dear being of infinity. Thank you for being. Thank you for existing. Thank you for sharing this moment with me. I want to share what I access in this moment with you. Thank you for being there. Thank you for tuning in to this frequency. I love you. I love you so much. Do you feel this love? If I don't limit myself, if I don't limit the experience that I get of myself, I am limitless. If I allow myself to experience the multidimensionality of myself, I am unlimited. If I don't close my mind, I am unlimited. What I see so clearly right now is that I am everything. I am the bird in the sky. I am everyone around me. I am everything. I am in everyone and I'm in everything. And if I'm not limiting my experience of myself to Tiina, I can experience everyone and anything and access everyone and access anything, because universe, it's in me. Everything is in me. This stream of reality is within me. This stream of universe is within you, within your own mind. And if you don't limit what you can access anything, you can feel anything, you can know anything about anyone, about anything. I've been experiencing myself on so many different channels of reality. I've been experiencing my parallel selves. I've been tuning into so many different channels of me. Every night when I astral travel, I surf different realities where I access the knowledge within those realities. I access the memories within those realities, and I see that I am them all. And this reality is only one channel that this aspect of my consciousness is tuned to right now. But I am them all. In the quantum field, everything is now. Every reality. Everything. All this past life stuff, or like our different versions experiencing different lives right now, is accessible because we can tune into different lifetimes. It depends on what you're tuning into. What are you surfing? Because we're only surfing. We're only surfers of this consciousness, one mind. Are you limiting the experience that you have of yourself? Or are you allowing your mind to expand, your heart to open, and then just be and feel? You are it. You're everything. You're not stuck in your trauma. On this earth, so many of us are stuck within our minds, are stuck within our stories. If you're not limiting yourself to your story, you are free, my love. You can experience this liberation right now. Everything is just a story. Every movie we're watching, every movie we are creating, it's just for entertainment. This is just a playground. This is just one playground. There are infinite amount of playgrounds in the universe. Do you feel that, my love? Do you feel the infinity of you, of being? Because you are being, you are creation of everything. It's the most beautiful thing to feel this ultimate oneness, and at the same time see the other side. Nothingness. Because it's all imagination. It's all a projection of consciousness. This is one projection of reality. If I'm not attached to this reality, I can experience anything. I can experience other realities. And that has become really important to me, actually. That every night I serve a lot of different realities, because then I don't feel that I'm stuck in this one. I feel free, and I only want to feel free in every way. But nothingness, my love, is the other side of existence. Oneness, nothingness, unreality. I love this feeling of letting go. Usually, when I experience these expanded states of consciousness, at first I deeply surrender and I let go. I let go of everything, every story, everything that's tying me into this reality, into this perspective of like one human. Why would I want to experience myself as just one human when in reality I am everyone, everything? Why would I close myself? Why would I? Like, of course it's a cool experience sometimes, but if that doesn't call you, you don't need to. And that doesn't really call me anymore. What calls me is unity, oneness, divinity, 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 truth. What is the truth? Are you tired of stories? You can remember truth. You can feel truth in all of yourself, in all of your being, because you are truth. You are it. You are this. You are at your destination right now, here. I love you, dear infinity. I love you, dear unity, divinity. You are divinity. You are. I am. I am that I am. Divinity, looking back at itself. Divinity, playing, creating, playing with creation, playing with energy. This is one manifestation. You are another manifestation of the same source. I love you.